which is question number 86. Let's read it. Which of the following compounds gives positive Felling's test but does not give iodoform test? Student, let's see. COCH3. This is the acetophenone. Option number 1 is an acetophenone. Acetophenone will not give Felling test but will give iodoform test. Let's talk about methanoic acid. Methanoic acid will give Felling test but do not gives iodoform test. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next. Benzaldehyde does not give Felling test, also will not give iodoform test. Acetaldehyde will give Felling test as well as iodoform test. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is methanoic acid. For iodoform test, we need to know that the compound which contains CH3 C double bond O group or CH3 CHOH group will give positive iodoform test. Moving to the next question, which is question number 87. Let's read it. The correct order of nucleophilicity in polar protic solvent is. Students, in polar protic solvent, the nucleophilicity decreases as the solvation increases. Here, we can clearly see that due to the small size of F minus ion, its solvation will be maximum in polar protic solvent. As a result, its nucleophilicity will be least. So, I'm writing the order of nucleophilicity in polar protic solvent. Maximum is of I minus, followed by Br minus, followed by Cl minus, and least is for F minus. That means the correct order is represented in option number 3. Moving to the next question, which is question number 88. Let's read it. The maximum prescribed concentration of Fe in drinking water is. Students, the maximum prescribed concentration of Fe in drinking water is 0.2 ppm. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to the next question, which is question number 89. Let's read it. Ore of copper among the following is. Students, in this question we are given with 4 ores. Let's start with number 1, magnetite. Magnetite is Fe3O4, that is, it is an ore of iron. Next is cryolite. Cryolite is Na3AlF6. Next is argentite. This is Ag2S, and the last is azurite, which is CuCO3 dot CuOH whole twice. So it is very clear that azurite is an ore of copper. So the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to the next question, which is question number 90. Let's read it. For the reaction N2H2 plus H2 gives N2H4, the delta R H0 is equals to minus 109 kilojoules per mole. The bond energy of NN bond will be. We are given with the bond energies of N double bond N, H single bond HH, NH. So student, let's solve this question. First of all, for this question, we need to know that enthalpy of reaction, standard enthalpy of reaction is equals to summation of bond energy of reactants minus summation of bond energy of products. So let's start. We are the reaction given is N2H2 plus N2 gives N2H4. So first let's write the bond energy of the reactants. So delta R H0 is equals to bond energy of N2H4, that is N double bond N plus 2 into bond energy of NH plus bond energy of HH minus the bond energy of NN bond plus 4 into bond energy of NH bond. We are given with delta R H0, which is minus 109. Bond energy of N double bond N is 400 plus 2 into bond energy of NH NH is 391 multiplied by 391 plus bond energy of HH bond. This is HH. So bond energy of HH bond, which is 436, minus bond energy of NN bond, which we have to calculate, minus 4 into bond energy of NH bond, which is 4 into 391. Now student, you have to solve this entire equation and then you will be able to calculate the bond energy of NN bond. I have calculated this. You please avoid using calculator. I'm again telling you, please avoid using calculator. The bond energy of NN bond will be 163 kilojoule per mole. That means the correct answer is option number 1. That was my last question, students. Thank you so much. I hope this quick solution is helpful for you all. All the very best and be safe.